Chimpanzees, with their soulful eyes and knowing glances, share a remarkable kinship with us. They are our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom, sharing nearly 99% of our DNA. This genetic proximity translates into an array of shared traits, most notably their remarkable intelligence. Chimpanzees display complex emotions, problem-solving skills, and social dynamics that mirror our own. Their ability to learn, adapt, and even exhibit altruism underscores the profound connection we share. Observing chimpanzees in their natural habitat provides a glimpse into our own evolutionary past, reminding us of the intricate web of life that binds us all. Chimpanzees are highly adapted to their arboreal homes in the dense forests of Central and West Africa. These regions provide the perfect environment for their complex social structures and daily activities. The dense canopy offers both protection and a rich source of food, making it an ideal habitat for these intelligent primates. Their long arms and powerful legs, designed for climbing and swinging through trees, distinguish them from other primates. These adaptations allow them to move with incredible agility and speed, navigating the forest canopy with ease. Their physical prowess is matched by their keen intelligence, which they use to solve problems and find food. They are primarily quadrupedal, using a unique form of locomotion called knuckle walking when on the ground. This method of movement is efficient and allows them to cover large distances in search of food and resources. Despite their arboreal adaptations, chimpanzees are also quite capable on the ground, showcasing their versatility. Adult males can weigh up to 150 pounds and stand over 5 feet tall, while females are slightly smaller. This size difference plays a role in their social dynamics, with males often taking on protective roles within their groups. The strength and size of adult males are crucial for defending their territory and ensuring the safety of their community. Their bodies are covered in coarse black hair except for their faces, hands and feet. This hair provides insulation and protection from the elements, helping them to survive in their diverse habitats. The texture and density of their hair can vary, offering clues about their health and age. These bare areas vary in pigmentation from light pink to dark black, depending on age and individual characteristics. The unique patterns and colors of their skin can help researchers identify individual chimpanzees and study their behavior over time. Their expressive faces and dexterous hands are key to their complex social interactions and tool use. Chimpanzee societies are complex and dynamic, with individuals forming strong social bonds that can last a lifetime. They live in fission-fusion communities, meaning that the size and composition of their groups can fluctuate depending on factors like food availability and social dynamics. Communication plays a crucial role in their social interactions. Chimpanzees communicate through a combination of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. Their repertoire includes hoots, grunts, screams, and pant hoots, each conveying a specific message. Grooming, an essential aspect of chimpanzee social life, strengthens bonds and reinforces social hierarchies within the group. Contrary to popular belief, chimpanzees are not solely vegetarian. They are opportunistic omnivores, meaning their diet consists of both plants and animals. Fruits, leaves, and seeds make up the bulk of their diet, but they also consume insects, eggs, and meat. Chimpanzees have developed ingenious methods for obtaining food, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability. They use tools like sticks to fish for termites, stones to crack open nuts, and leaves to sponge up drinking water. This remarkable ability to use tools is a testament to their cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. Section 5. A mother's love, a legacy to learn. Chimpanzee infants are entirely dependent on their mothers for the first few years of their lives. The mother-infant bond is incredibly strong, with mothers providing constant care, nourishment, and protection. During this period, infants learn essential life skills through observation and imitation. Young chimpanzees learn how to forage for food, use tools, and navigate their social world by mimicking their mothers and other members of their group. This extended period of learning and development is crucial for their survival and successful integration into chimpanzee society. Section 6. Guardians of the forest. Chimpanzees play a vital role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of their forest homes. These intelligent primates are not just inhabitants of the forest, they are its caretakers, ensuring the ecosystem thrives. As they move through the forest, they disperse seeds through their feces, aiding in the regeneration of plant life. This natural process helps new plants grow, maintaining the lush greenery that is essential for countless species. Their feeding habits also help control insect populations, contributing to the overall balance of the ecosystem. By consuming insects, they prevent overpopulation, which could otherwise harm the vegetation and disrupt the food chain. Their presence, however, is under increasing threat. The pressures they face are mounting and their future is uncertain. Habitat loss, poaching, and disease are pushing chimpanzee populations to the brink. The forests they call home are being destroyed at an alarming rate, leaving them with fewer places to live and thrive. The destruction of their forest homes for agriculture, logging, and human settlements is forcing them into smaller and more fragmented areas, leading to increased competition for resources and conflict with humans. As their habitats shrink, they are often forced into closer proximity with human populations, which can lead to dangerous encounters and further stress on these incredible creatures. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these guardians of the forest continue to play their vital role in the ecosystem. Section 7. The Silent Plea. The illegal wildlife trade poses a grave threat to chimpanzees. They are captured for the pet trade, sold to entertainment venues, or used in biomedical research. The capture process is often brutal, resulting in injuries, death, and the separation of infants from their mothers. The plight of chimpanzees is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Their decline is not only a loss for biodiversity, but also a reflection of our own disregard for the natural world. Their silent plea for help must be answered with urgent action to protect them and their vanishing habitats. Section 8. The Price of Indifference. The consequences of inaction are dire. As chimpanzee populations dwindle, the ecological balance of their forest homes is disrupted. The loss of these keystone species can have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem, impacting plant diversity, seed dispersal, and overall forest health. Moreover, the decline of chimpanzees serves as a warning indicator of the health of our planet. The factors driving their decline, such as habitat loss and climate change, are also threats to human well-being. Protecting chimpanzees is not just about saving a species, it's about safeguarding our own future. Section 9. A Future Intertwined. The fate of chimpanzees is inextricably linked to our own. These magnificent creatures share over 98% of our DNA, making them one of our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom. Their survival hinges on our willingness to address the root causes of their decline and make sustainable choices that benefit both people and the planet. Deforestation, habitat destruction, and climate change are just a few of the critical issues that threaten their existence. We must act now to protect their remaining habitats, ensuring that these areas are preserved and restored to their natural state. Conservationists are working tirelessly to create protected areas where chimpanzees can thrive, combat the illegal wildlife trade, which poses a significant threat to their populations. Poaching and illegal trafficking of chimpanzees not only endanger their numbers, but also disrupt their social structures. Promote responsible tourism practices that allow people to observe these animals in their natural habitats without causing harm. Ecotourism can provide vital funding for conservation efforts while educating the public about the importance of protecting wildlife. Education and awareness are paramount in this endeavor. By teaching the next generation about the importance of biodiversity and the role chimpanzees play in their ecosystems, we can foster a culture of conservation. By understanding the plight of chimpanzees and the interconnectedness of all life, we can inspire a sense of responsibility and stewardship for the natural world. Every species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. We can inspire a sense of responsibility and stewardship for the natural world. Community conservation efforts are essential, as local people are often the best stewards of their environments. Empowering local communities to become stewards of their own forests is crucial for long-term conservation success. By involving indigenous and local communities in conservation efforts, we ensure that the solutions are sustainable and culturally appropriate. Section 10. Seeds of Hope. While the challenges are immense, there is still hope for chimpanzees. Conservation organizations, researchers, and local communities are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures and their natural habitats. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration projects, and educational outreach programs are making a significant difference. Supporting these efforts is crucial for success. By donating to conservation organizations, advocating for stronger wildlife protection laws, and making conscious consumer choices, we can all contribute to the survival of chimpanzees. Every action, no matter how small, can have a ripple effect. Section 11. Our Shared Destiny. The future of chimpanzees, and indeed all life on Earth, depends on our collective actions. Let us choose compassion over indifference, action over apathy, and hope over despair. Let us work together to create a future where humans and chimpanzees can coexist in harmony, sharing this planet with respect and reverence for all its inhabitants. Our shared journey on this Earth demands nothing less. The time for action is now.